Hello and welcome to English 101, College Reading and Composition 1. Who am I? I'm Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, and I'm not your boss. I'm not God. I'm your friendly teacher guide. And let's emphasize this word guide. And why am I emphasizing this word? Well, let's answer that question by asking another question. Who are you? You're my student. That's true. I guide you in the learning process. So you're my teacher. You teach me how to teach you. You're my collaborator. Here's a great truism about the teaching learning process. Without each other's help, we will not be successful in this course. We teach each other. There's a red apple for me, but there's also a red apple for you. All right, let's look at our course and find out what it's all about. And we are into English 101, College Reading and Composition 1. And a good way to think about English 101 is as the research paper class. This is where you learn to write a research paper. Okay, so where are we? We're in Home. And what do we have in Home? We have 7 tabs in the left menu, just 7. I don't like a lot of tabs because they're confusing, I think, hard to navigate the course. So we're in Home, and what is Home? What is the purpose of Home? Think of Home as one of those gigantic bulletin boards we used to have when we were little in our classrooms. We'd walk in and there was the theme of the week or the month that the teacher decorated and the students decorated. And I hope you'll help me to decorate this bulletin board. So what do I have on here? I have Lisa Simpson, and here's the teacher, and Lisa is bored and the teacher is screening a movie. Okay, so why do I have that image? Well, it relates to our research paper topic. Here is our research paper topic. What is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S., and what is the solution or solutions to this problem? Okay, so we'll be focusing, of course, on the teacher's role and the student's role, and all the things that can go wrong with the teaching learning process and cause students not to do well. That is our research paper topic throughout the entire class, what we will be focusing on. Okay, so let's survey other parts of our bulletin board. What do we have? We have a Canvas generated to-do list here, which is pretty nifty. You have assignments that are due, and as you're done with them, you can click on the X and you can be organized that way. But I also have a to-do list for you every week and for the 8 weeks of this semester, and I have week 1 in modules, April 8th through 14th, 2019. A link to modules with our assignments here. And modules is our Bible to the classroom. It has everything we need, all of our class readings, all of our assignments. But I like to keep this link here in addition to this to-do list because I like to focus on 1 week at a time so it doesn't feel overwhelming to us. All right, so I can go into our Bible modules here in the left menu or here in this handy link I've created. Let's go into it here. Okay, so we're into modules and we see to-do list for week 1, April 8th through the 14th, 2019. And we have the to-do list for the entire semester all the way down to week 8. And all of these assignments are accessible to you. You can go into them at any time. Okay, and while we're in modules, I need to point out something important to you, and it's the due date that Canvas lists. Canvas allows me to list only one due date, but I want you to be aware that assignments have different due dates. So in every assignment, I'll have a link that has the due dates, and you want to pay attention to this link. And let me make this bigger here. Most assignments we have a part 1 and a part 2, and so I keep the assignment due dates here. All right, I'm going to go back into Home, and we're going to explore what comes after modules, which is the syllabus. Okay, and here is the syllabus right here. We have 16 parts of it, 16 links. I'm feeding it to you in bite-sized pieces. I do have a gigantic syllabus down here, which is kind of overwhelming. It's so big. So you may want to click on the different pieces here and become familiar with it, such as the instructor and course information, which includes my office hours and other great information. So do go through the syllabus and read it so you're familiar with it. And if you have an LD, autism, you learn in a unique, a special way. I have people with a lot of LDs in my family, and autism runs in my family. You want to be aware of extra resources and your rights. So that's all here. Okay. Let's click back on home, and let's go down to the next item in our menu. It's grades. What does grades do? Grades tells you what grades you earn on assignments and contains my notes to you, so this is super important. After grades, we have the Canvas tutorials. If you're not familiar with Canvas, you want to click on this link and become familiar with working in a Canvas classroom. What comes next is Office 365 with lots of useful apps for you to help you to succeed in this course. And then we have conferences, which we will start to run during my office hours, okay? And my office hours, of course, are in the syllabus, and I will announce them as the semester progresses. Okay, so this is our course, our wonderful, beautiful, fabulous course with our artwork on our bulletin board. Please remember that I'm here in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, you're never emailing me too much, you're never bothering me. I need to hear from you because we work together as student and teacher. We exchange roles and we're collaborators. So let's have a wonderful, beautiful, glorious, meaningful, fun semester. All right, let's get started.